Unleash the extraordinary with our feature-packed vehicle. Crafted to perfection, this car promises more than just a drive. Your peace of mind is our priority. This vehicle has passed a meticulous 128-point AA inspection and undergone an extensive HPI check, fresh service, new front tires, long MOT, one owner, and it is VAT qualifying. Drive with confidence, complimentary 6 months commercial warranty, 12 months AA breakdown cover. Your journey is protected every step of the way. Tailor your driving experience with features like cruise control and programmable speed limiter, hill start assist, parking sensors, rear radar obstacle sensor, Apple CarPlay, and Android. Elevate your driving experience with a car that combines confidence, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. Visit us today to experience excellence on the road.